Hi, welcome to S.E.C meditation. S.E.C stands for 3 breaths of self-love, empathy, and compassion. In these moments that we use S.E.C, it is a buffer between what's going on around us and our ability to pause and form a choice from this perspective of self-love, empathy, and compassion, both for ourselves and others. Let us begin. Come into a seated position. Begin by connecting to your body. Just noticing how you feel. Notice your senses. From what you see, to taste, smell, hear, or touch. You can also notice your intuition, if there's anything speaking to you within. As you take in a breath, do so with the intention to just observe your thoughts. Notice what they're saying or how they're repeating in this moment. And take a moment to check in with how you're feeling. With your first breath, inhale and exhale a cycle where you nurture yourself gently. On your second breath, filled with empathy, notice your wants and needs. And if it's possible, to recognize the wants and needs of others that are sharing in this circumstance with you. On your next cycle of breath, your third cycle, filled with compassion, feel the warmth of bringing this kind energy into the moment, allowing for compassion to radiate throughout your breath and your body and your emotions. Inhale, breathe in, self-love, nurture yourself gently. As you inhale deeply, envision a warm embrace of self-acceptance. Allow this feeling of love to permeate throughout your full body and into the space in which you occupy, almost as if you are sitting inside of a heart. And with each breath in, it radiates even brighter, supporting self-love, anchoring you into a place of your inner strength and peace. Breathe out, noticing your needs and wants, sharing this sense of worthiness with others, as well as with yourself as it expands. Empathy expands as you are able to empathize with your experience as well as with the experience of others in this moment, breath by breath. See if it helps to maybe close your eyes and take a moment to step into their shoes. Imagining the situation from their perspective as well as your own. Allow for a full 10 cycles of compassion. Compassionate breath to allow you to feel the warmth that you can bring into the space, bring into yourself, and share with others. Visualize a ripple of kindness emanating from your heart as you remain seated and anchored in this moment. See if this ripple can impact each person in your mind that you come in contact with, sharing with them your understanding of compassion and goodwill. Embrace each moment for the remainder of this practice as an opportunity to embody mindfulness and sow kind, compassionate seeds into the world. Breath by breath, moment by moment, self-love, empathy, and compassion. You can stay here as long as you like. Otherwise, we can close class together. It helps to bring self-love, empathy, and compassion with you throughout your day. It really can help to bring peace and ease into your life and decision making. You're just stepping back for a pause, allowing the wisdom of the moment to expand in a new way before reacting quickly or in a way that you would regret later. I want to thank you for joining me today. Hug yourself. As you breathe in and out, try to give yourself 3 more breaths of self-compassion and empathy. Self-love, empathy, and compassion. Maybe even just giving yourself a huge hug with your whole heart radiating as bright as possible. Bring that beauty that's within out and share it with the world so that we can feel that joy as you continue to sow these seeds. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Namaste.